How to make extra money in the military. Many businesses can run in short or long periods. The aim is to get value added or to make money from time to time. People buy a land, for example, hope that the land price is getting higher in the next time. People save their money in the bank, what for? The aim is to get interest from it. Generally, we can categorize these into investment behavior. In modern society, investment sounds familiar for them. Educated people know how to manage their money. They will not let their asset be stuck without any progression. The answer is investing. Some people perhaps not realize that they have done the investment, such as farmer or fisherman. From those definitions we might make the conclusion. To do investment needs capital and commitment based on investment for couple of times. At the end of investment period, the investor may get return of investment bigger than the initial investment, as stated by Riley and Brown, in order to compensate money sacrifice. However, there is no guarantee at the end of period the investor gets bigger asset than was. It is because deviation beyond the expectation. There is a risk within investment. Thus, while investment committed, one needs to consider the risk.